What's up, guys? It's your girl Queen Adrienne Monroe, and welcome back to the Red Carpet Curls YouTube channel. So today I am taking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use DN Organics leave-in cream right here. Leave-in cream with the gel. Okay, as you can see, this is what I've done today, and look at that. My color is shining. My curls are defined. I got volume. I could do the mean hair flip. So I'm going to take you through step by step, showing you how to use the luxuriously moisturizing leave-in. Seriously, less is more. Okay, I'm not playing with you. Especially my fine hair and wavy ladies, less is more with this leave-in. You do not need to put a whole bunch. And then the newest addition, the ultra defined styling gel. It's a light to medium hold, very light if you want me to be honest. Like, it's giving me great bounce, great definition. Like, if I pull one of my curls, they go right back into place. So the elasticity is on point, everything's on point thanks to 2 products. Okay, and I just got to show you what I'm working with, so let's get into it.
Okay, so I'm starting with freshly co-washed hair. Once again, these are the products we're going to be using today, and of course, my tools. I will link them below so that you can have the full picture. So I'm starting by resaturating my hair with water. Yes, I did come out the shower, but remember, the microfiber towel took all that moisture, so we have to add it back before we start styling. I'm going to take my clips and I'm going to begin by sectioning my hair using the BMC sectioning technique, also known as the Be My Curl sectioning technique. I use the points of my eyebrows to mark the first section. I go straight up. That is the driest section of the hair, so I'm going to focus on that last. Okay. Then I'm going to use my earlobes as the other point to section the side of my head. Okay. And the same with the other side. My earlobe is the point of reference. I absolutely love these clips from Currygirl, by the way. They do not move anywhere, which is very helpful with styling. So make sure to check them out. And now I'm ready to style. So the first step in any of my styling videos is always water. Why? Because your hair is like a plant. It needs water, okay? So I fully saturate my hair with water first to prevent frizz, and then I go in with another moisture-based, meaning water-based product, which is the Ultra Defined Curls Leave-In Cream. I absolutely love the leave-in cream because it's created for the ultimate definition and hydration. It leaves your curls soft and shiny, and the ingredients have potent antioxidants and vitamins to nourish healthy hair while adding heat protection, whether you choose to wear your curls natural or blow dry straight. Now I'm going in with a little bit of the gel, also known as the Ultra Defined Styling Gel. I absolutely love this gel. It's created to add moisture, definition, and frizz control. It's designed for your curl styling to last long while leaving your curls soft and bouncy. And the ingredients have potent amino acids and vitamins to nourish your hair. And if you know anything about proteins, amino acids are the smallest type of protein, the protein building block, and they're able to penetrate deep inside your hair all the way to the deepest layer known as the cortex, which is responsible for about 90% of the overall strength and structure of your hair. So very important to include amino acids. So I love that the gel already contains that. So by now you can see my sectioning technique, and my normal routine is water, leave-in, and gel on every single section. This provides me the most consistent foundation for controlling frizz, okay? And I'm using my Scrunch It brush because it's the only brush I use and the only brush I trust not to give me any breakage or split ends. And I love the beautiful ribbon curls that it gives me, okay? And I love the pointed end that allows me to section my hair using my natural part much, much easier. So now that my hair is fully saturated with all the product, I love that the brush actually removes excess product for me while giving me those beautiful ribbon curls. But because I don't want the hair plastered to my head, I do use my fingers to rake it out once more. Now I will go in with my Scrunch It brush to just run it through a few more times to make sure I have that frizz-free hair clump I'm looking for to do these natural finger coils. Finger coiling is an amazing technique, especially for transitioning hair. So if you're just starting out, I'm telling you, you have to try finger coiling. It's absolutely amazing. It gives you uniform definition each and every time, and it helps train your curls on the proper way it should be curling, okay? It gives you more definition. So this is a great tip, like I said, for transitioning hair or looser textured curls, wavy hair, curly hair. If you have thicker textured hair or coarser hair like 4A, 4B, 4C, you can finger coil, but expect more shrinkage, okay? So now I am scrunching to encourage even more definition, okay? And this is a perfect tip, again, for finer textured hair and looser textured curls, okay? Do not scrunch if you have an issue with shrinkage. Okay, and one more time, I'm putting a little bit more gel to make sure that the back of my hair, which often gets loose very quickly, holds for more than day one. Finally, I'm gonna remove any excess product with my microfiber towel so that my hair can dry much more quickly. I am a very impatient Nancy, okay? I do not like my hair being wet and feeling that on my shoulders. So I'm going in with my diffuser, my Xtava Black Orchid diffuser, so that I can dry even more quickly. I absolutely love diffusing because, remember, when you diffuse, it should always be low heat or cool air. It should never be high heat, okay? Even though if you do use high heat, the leave-in has heat protection in it already. So you can't lose, honestly. These products got you covered in every single way. Look at those beautiful curls that are coming out. Oh my God, I cannot. So my final step is to seal and get more volume. That's why I'm using the Elattia Hair Care Soothe oil. I take 5 drops in my fingertips, you know, little shimmy right there, and then do a scalp massage. That is because I want to keep my scalp moisturized, flake-free, and not only that, I want to stimulate more blood flow to the hair follicles to encourage more hair growth in the long run, okay? Then I am taking my pick and picking for dear life because I want volume to the heavens. Okay, that was a little bit much. Then I take 3 more drops of oil. I'm sorry if you hear my dog barking. I take 3 more drops of oil to scrunch and create an invisible film that is going to seal in all that moisture from the amazing moisturizing ingredients in these products, such as hibiscus flower, marula oil, mango butter, quinoa extract. I'm telling you, it's amazing. You want to seal that in for as long as possible, and this oil helps me do that. Look at those results. My color is amazing. I have so much shine and bounce. Seriously, check out DN Organics.